What is up, creator? Josh here, and today I'm going to tell you all about the Testnet, the token generation event, the leaderboard, and a massive 20 million SOGNI airdrop. We have a lot to cover, so let's jump right into it. First, let's break down the Sogni Testnet. Basically, a testnet is just a way of doing a practice run to make sure all of the infrastructure works while we're using test tokens before we use the tokens that actually have real-world value. So the purpose of a testnet is to make sure that everything runs smoothly before the mainnet launch. Anyway, what you're going to want to do to get started is to either download Sogni Studio for Mac, and I definitely recommend downloading Sogni Studio Pro from the Sogni website as opposed to getting the App Store version because it has more features and it allows you to use your computer as a worker and earn some tokens. Or if you're on iOS, you can just get Sogni Pocket from the App Store. Then once you've got the app and you've got your account created and you've verified your email and all of that stuff, you'll have a bunch of testnet tokens so you can start generating for free. And then plus, the more you generate, the higher you're going to climb on the leaderboard. So let's talk about the leaderboard. The leaderboard is where you can really start to see the value that you can get by participating in our testnet. So the leaderboard tracks everybody's activity and it's broken into 3 categories. You've got artists, where you're rewarded for generating more images. So go in there, play around, have fun with it, generate a ton of images. You've got workers, which is for people running Sogni Studio Pro, which you can only download from the Sogni website. And then the third category on the leaderboard are for referrals. So when somebody signs up, if they use your username on the sign up page, then you're going to get some extra tokens and they're going to get some extra tokens. And you're going to move up on the referral leaderboard. So why is ranking on the leaderboard so important? I'm so glad you asked. The reason why is because the higher you are on the leaderboard, the bigger slice of the airdrop pie that you're going to get. There's going to be an airdrop after the token generation event where they're dropping 20 million SOGNI tokens. So it's a huge opportunity and we really want to get a piece of it. So the higher you rank on the leaderboard, the bigger slice of the pie that you get. And then you have all these tokens to generate a whole bunch of more art even when we're on the mainnet. And that brings me to the TGE, or the token generation event. This is when we switch from the testnet to the mainnet. Now, we don't have a specific date for the TGE yet, so just stay tuned for that. Make sure you're following us on socials or in our Discord, and we'll be announcing that. But you do still have time to participate and make your way up the leaderboard, but you're going to want to do it sooner rather than later because the higher you are, the better position you're going to be. All right, you've got the info. Now it's time to take action. So go download Sogni if you haven't done it yet and start making some art or contributing as a worker. And you can watch the other tutorials that we've made on here, and I show you how to do basically everything that you need to know on there. So whether you are an artist or a worker or a referrer, that's a word. I'm almost like stumbling over myself. There's so many things that you can do to contribute and earn. So get out there and start doing it. And of course, don't forget to follow Sogni on social media, join us on Discord, and you can learn how to make different kinds of art. And of course, make sure to subscribe to this channel and you can see more tutorials coming out. Now go get out there and start creating.